And if you don't know how to get there directly, you would type in desmos.com, and it would take you to this site. And then you would click on where it says graphing calculator, and it would take you to the graphing calculator. Okay, and over here to the left is where you would type your equations. You have two equations you're going to be graphing. So I'm just going to make up something. Say one of my equations is y equals 2x plus 5. All right, and then say my other equation might be something like 2x plus 3y equals 6. I'm going to try to pick something where it's going to line up with the grid kind of nicely. Nope. There we go. All right, so I have two equations. These aren't your equations, but this shows you how you would type equations in, and then graphs it for you. And so what you want to do is you actually want to come over and you want to get close to where your point of intersection is. You might have to drag your graph around to get it centered, and then you would zoom in with the plus. Okay, and then if you click right where they intersect, it would put a point there. And if you hover over it, you see it, but if you move, it disappears. So if you click one more time, turns the point black, and then it actually leaves the coordinates there. Okay, so my coordinates of the point of intersection is -2, 1 in this example, which means x equals -2 and y equals 1. So this is proof that I checked my work, and then I would take a screenshot of just the area that shows my intersection and it shows my correct point. And then I would come back to, I'm going to show you, so we're going to actually open this with Cami now. Okay, so open with Cami. That's how you're going to start working on it. And when you do a screenshot, it automatically saves your screenshot to your clipboard, and then you scroll to the part. Okay, so I'm on this document. You're going to scroll to the part. There we go. I'm on this document using systems of equations. This is the one I'm going to be grading. So you would scroll to where you have to put your screenshot. If you just click into Cami and then do Control+D, it'll pop your screenshot up. Okay, and it's a little bigger than I need, so I'm actually going to resize it so that fits. And that's all you have to do for this little area here. Okay, a screenshot of your equations graphed on Desmos. I'd like to see the point of intersection. And, you know, you can even do this step before you do the substitution elimination step. So once you have your equations, if you graph them and get your answer, you can even write your answer next and see if it makes sense to the context of your problem. And then you can go back and do your work. And then you have something to kind of go with. You should get this as an answer, whatever it is that you got. This is just a specific example that doesn't necessarily apply to any of these problems, but you would graph two lines the same way. I'm going to actually delete that out. I'm going to delete it with a little trash can like that. Okay, and so what we're going to do next